Honorable VC Professor Shashikala Vanjari, Dr. Manish Khaitan, a dear friend and President of OSSI, Dr. Jagmeet Madan, Principal of the Sir Vitthal Das Thakurse College, Dr. Neeraj Rayate, Founder Director of DOS, Dr. Geeta Dharmati, and my friend Dr. Satish Patnishetty, who's also the Director of DOS as well as a colleague in OSSI. So thank you very much for inviting me here. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you for an online certificate course in advanced bariatric nutrition. Like Dr. Manish just mentioned, it's first of its kind, and we are happy that you guys have started it. In fact, I was very happy to hear from Dr. Jagmeet Madan that almost 1,200 people have registered for this. And in fact, I can see more than 123 participants already. That's a fantastic thing, because that's one branch which generally doesn't get the attendance attendance which it should. It's like a cornerstone in a bariatric practice. Bariatric nutrition should be right up there. Like Dr. Manish just mentioned, surgery is just a very small part in a bariatric program, and success and failure of a bariatric surgery program is by and large because of the nutrition. It's not just the post-operative, it's in fact just starts with the pre-operative. We almost always find deficiencies. We refer them to the bariatric nutritionist. They take care of those deficiencies prior to the surgery. They take care during and after the surgical procedures. And invariably, we find that people who are, or patients who follow up better, who follow up with the nutritionist better, who are regular with their follow-ups, who are regular with the nutritionist and taking care of their diets, always do a lot better. Otherwise, we see all these complications coming in. Dr. Manish just mentioned the history of bariatrics, but what needs to be mentioned here as well is that we are actually seeing more and more of revision procedures, more and more of patients who are coming back with weight regain or with complications after the bariatric surgery. And those are the patients invariably who haven't followed up, who haven't gone back to the nutritionist, haven't gone back to the surgeons, and invariably end up with complications. So bariatric nutrition is an extremely important aspect of this program. We started with doing restrictive procedures. We started with the bands, which was early 2000s, moved to doing sleeve gastrectomies, and now we do more and more of malabsorptive procedures. Now we know that with malabsorptive procedures, what happens is patients will have nutritional complications. That means the follow-up with the nutritionist becomes even more important here. Invariably, one of the bypasses is what the treatment is these days, whether it is for diabetes or for weight loss. So like I said, the nutritionist becomes even more important here. Absolutely the cornerstone of a bariatric program. And data is right up there to tell you that, the role of a nutritionist. In fact, when we get calls from the patients who have we've operated maybe 5 years back, 7 years back, invariably they'll tell you that the follow-up has not been adequate, or the weight regain has only been there because of the follow-up not being there, or the nutritional complications that they've developed. So these courses, in fact, will go a long way in educating, training, and teaching our nutritionists. We have a lot of these nutritionists which need to be trained. In fact, though our program has been more than a decade, we would want them to, go through this program, understand, learn much more what you are teaching and what you want to take them. And then, like Dr. Manish said, that as Aussie ourselves, we would like to get associated with you in a big way to ensure that the nutritionists, not just who are part of our part of the bariatric programs, but otherwise as well, who want to get into bariatric nutrition, should get trained and should join this program. So I wish you all the very best, and whatever help you require in Aussie, Dr. Manish has just mentioned, I'm there. We will definitely offer all the help, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.